How to find camera on MacBook. So it's important to know that the camera on a MacBook doesn't have a manual switch. It turns on automatically when an app tries to use it, e.g. FaceTime, Zoom, or Photo Booth. So if you want to switch on the camera, all you need to do is to go over to your Launchpad application. You can find it usually in the dock, or you can just click on Finder and go over to your hard disk, go over to Applications, and then you want to click on Launchpad over here. Once you have that opened, you can now go ahead and search for, let's say, FaceTime. And once you click on it, your camera should be activated. Right, and that is how you view your camera or turn it on a MacBook. Let me know in the comments if this video helped you, and make sure to leave a like and subscribe to our channel.